So what's up guys? Today I'm going to be working on my hatch today and we're going to be installing some bigger brakes on it. So these are the stock brakes that come on the hatches. I think it's a 9mm, not 9mm, a 9-inch rotor and this small caliper. And this is what we're going to be putting on it. This is a EX spindle and I think it's a Mini Cooper rotor, a 2007 Mini Cooper rotor, the ones that don't come on the John Cooper Works. And then this is a Type R caliper with a TSX brake pad. And so I'm gonna be going to Harbor Freight real quick because I don't have this, the axle nut socket, but I think it's a 32mm socket if I'm right. But yeah, I'm gonna be going to Harbor Freight real quick, but I'll be getting back to you guys. So I got everything completely installed, the brake rotor, the caliper, and the whole new spindle. And yeah, I think it looks a lot better with the bigger caliper and rotor. It fills out the wheel a lot more. And I'm running the GSR blades and I wasn't sure if they were gonna clear the calipers because the caliper is a lot bigger caliper compared to this smaller one. Oh shit. But I'll show you guys how it looks with the wheel on there. So this is what it looks like with the wheels on there, and looks like it has enough clearance. I had to trim these little clips a little bit. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I cut it up here because it was really close to the weights on the wheel. But yeah, that's what it looks like. And I'll show you guys the other side because I haven't done it yet. So that's what the other side looks like. It doesn't fill out the wheel as much as the other side. And it has a tiny little caliper. So yeah. Hopefully it helps brake a bit better, which I'm pretty sure it will. But here I laid out everything that you guys would need to do the same swap that I'm doing. So you'd need either 96 to 2000 spindles, or from an Acura Integra DC2, DC4, and the 2007 Mini Cooper, the ones that's not the John Cooper Works, 280mm rotor. And these are the Acura Integra Type R calipers, and then the 2004 TSX brake pads, and the calipers from a 2000 Integra Type R. And since I was doing all new brakes, I was just like, might as well do new wheel bearings and the lower ball joint because I'm gonna be putting in a new spindle anyways. So yeah, I'll try to show you guys as much as I can on the other side, but we'll see what goes. So I brought the hatch outside so you're able to see the brakes a lot better, because I was looking back on the video and it doesn't really seem like you can see the brakes as good. But here's the side that I did already with the Type R brakes. And here's the side I haven't done yet. So yeah. So I was able to get all the nuts and cotter pins off this tie rod, off the upper control arm, and this one that's on the, I don't know if you can see the bottom one right there, and then the middle axle nut. And then after that, all you have to do is either you can leave the caliper on there and then just undo the brake line, on the back of the caliper, or you can do what I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna unbolt the caliper and just leave it hanging until I have everything together on the other spindle. So yeah, I'm gonna take this spindle off and then put that spindle on, and then I'll get back to you guys. So I was finally able to get out the old spindle. It was sort of stuck because this lower ball joint right here was stuck on the lower control arm on the bottom, and I had to go buy this pickle fork ball joint removal tool thing. But yeah, now I'm gonna be able to put in the new spindle. So I finished up this passenger side, and right now I'm just letting it gravity bleed. So hopefully I won't have to completely bleed the calipers or waste as much time bleeding the calipers. But yeah, other than that, it's finished. Both sides are on. So I've mostly broken the brakes in, the front brakes in on the hatch, but they feel good and everything. But I guess the only negative would be that the brake pedal is now a little spongy since the caliper is a lot bigger. It does need a bit more force to close that caliper, but I'm pretty sure I've been doing some research as into the Type R Integra brake master cylinder should fit on these cars, and I'm pretty sure it should fix the issue on this car. But other than that, the brakes feel great. So yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and yeah, hope you guys have a great rest of your day.